Facial attractiveness psychology. Why do people get attracted to certain facial features? Earlier I said in many of my articles that there are some universal facial features that are considered attractive by most people. For example, most people get attracted to those who have a high degree of symmetry between the left side and the right side of their faces. See also psychical attraction psychology. But the question is, why do some people have different preferences? Why do some people like round noses while others like straight noses? Why do we find a person who likes slim faces while we find another one who likes round faces? In order to learn more about facial attractiveness psychology, read this article. Why certain faces attract him the most. When Tim was young, he was a helpless child. The best solution he had for the problems he used to face was to cry. As the years passed, Tim started hating the fact that he is helpless, and as a result he decided to do the exact opposite. I said earlier that the person's psychological goals and unmet needs are developed as a result of the childhood experiences he goes through. In Tim's case, not being helpless anymore was his ultimate goal. Tim also started to automatically dislike helpless people. Another factor came in and shaped the way Tim thinks. The culture he was raised in taught him that obese people are helpless. Tim used to label any obese person with the label, helpless person. Tim never understood why he only gets attracted to women who have sharp facial features and not round ones. Tim's subconscious mind has associated round objects with obesity, and that's why round facial features used to turn him off. Of course, Tim never understood what was going on because everything used to happen on the unconscious level. Facial attractiveness and psychological goals. It's clear that Tim was turned off by round facial features just because he used to feel helpless as a child. If you still wonder how this connection happened, then let me tell you that the subconscious mind always connects similar objects to each other, then associates them with the same emotions even if there was no logical connection between them. It's not uncommon for a man who fears the unknown to end up fearing darkness, and it's not uncommon for a woman who feels jealous of her friends to end up fearing cats. See also fear of cats. The subconscious mind just connects the objects together even if they seemed completely unrelated. That's also why do you sometimes see symbols in your dreams that represent real-life objects. See, what does your dream mean? Your subconscious mind works using symbols, and that's why it might connect certain facial features to certain personality traits while you are not aware of anything that is taking place. The next time someone dislikes your facial features, blame it on his psychological makeup.